Addison and I sitting in her pod, I guess we would call it, and the first time holding her. And she's here. She's here. See, can I get her? Skin to skin. And something's on her. It's irritating my stomach. But this is a warm blanket over her. I think it's her. Something on her poking the crap out of me. Oh, yeah. Yeah, mommy had to readjust you because, yeah. Because you're sneezing. You, bless you. Mommy did a 2-pounder. But she's doing good. She's still 2 pounds to 4 ounces. And she is on the little tube thing that you see in her nose. It's blowing constant air in her nose. Yeah. Let's see. I'm really trying to get a good picture of her, but can't get a good picture of her. Don't know why. But I cannot rock her. So I'm just going to sit here and enjoy every moment of it. My boo-boo name is Addison. Addison Wade. Something is wrong with this thing right here in her nose because she's frowning up. I think it's probably been moved or something. I mean, she's doing good. You can tell she's doing good up here. But this thing is not in her nose right, so you can call the nurse.